Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to automate shipping, print labels faster and even manage orders in one place, ShipStation is a great option. So in today's basically this smart tutorial, I will show you how to connect Shopify to ShipStation in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, we're gonna go open your device, make sure everything is looking perfectly fine. Go and log into Shopify admin or shopify.com using your email address and password. Then go to this small app section, App Store, tap on Shopify App Store. We're gonna go and look for ShipStation. Okay, then hit enter. Gonna go and look for this one. Make sure you tap on install the app, then approve the permissions. Log into your ShipStation account. If you don't have one, create a ShipStation account first. It's so easy. Just use your email address, password, and every other info. Then authorize the Shopify connection. ShipStation will automatically detect your Shopify store. Then sync orders. Your Shopify orders will begin syncing instantly. Then configure shipping settings. Set carry package, basically including package sizes and even default shipping rules. Then test your shipment. Create a test table to confirm everything is working. And that's basically the main idea. You can also make sure to basically Shopify store time zone matches the ShipStation if necessary, enable automatic order imports and every other detail. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.